Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Is your lung health declining earlier than you think? A new study has redefined the understanding of lung function across the human lifespan. Published in the Lancet Respiratory Medicine, the research concludes that lung capacity begins to decline much earlier than previously believed, with no stable plateau phase in early adulthood as earlier models had suggested. Traditionally, it was believed that lung function increases until it peaks between the ages of 20 and 25, followed by a period of stability and then a decline in later adulthood. However, these assumptions were based on studies that did not comprehensively cover all life stages. The current study overcame that limitation by using an accelerated cohort design, combining data from over 30,000 individuals aged 4 to 82 years across 8 population-based cohort studies from Europe and Australia. The researchers assessed lung function using forced spirometry, measuring two key indicators: forced expiratory volume in 1 second, FEV1, and forced vital capacity, FVC. In women, FEV1 peaked around age 20, while in men it peaked around age 23, with no subsequent stable phase. The study also shed light on the influence of health conditions and behaviors. People with persistent asthma were found to reach peak lung function earlier and maintain lower levels throughout life. In contrast, smoking did not alter peak lung function but led to a more rapid decline starting from age 35. These insights have significant clinical and public health implications. Early detection of low lung function may allow interventions to prevent chronic respiratory diseases in adulthood, said Rosa Feina, researcher at the University of Barcelona and Clínica IDBAPS and the study's last author. The findings emphasize the need for early life monitoring using spirometry to support respiratory health across the lifespan.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.